Exploring Ceres bright spots. Materials required: pen and paper, 2 to 3 kinds of salt, for example, table salt, Epsom salt, and baking soda, warm water, measuring spoons or teaspoons, items for stirring, for example, spoons, small containers to mix salt and water, small dishes or containers to apply the solution and allow the solution to dry. Ratios of salt to water. To start off, add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate into a cup. Next, add a tablespoon of table salt, sodium chloride, into a separate cup. And repeat the previous step but with baking soda and use a teaspoon. Add 12 teaspoons of water to the baking soda cup. Add 4 teaspoons of water into the other 2 cups. Mix well. Add a bit of each solution onto the labeled plates. Let each solution dry out. This process might take a day or two. The results. The Epsom salt has formed into one big clump and has small streaks all over it. Next to it, the table salt has formed crystals, most of which are large and have sharp edges. After that, the baking soda had turned back into its powder form and clumped up near the middle and the outer borders. How does this experiment relate to Ceres bright spots? Salt compounds concentrated in the bright zone according to scientists. Dawn infrared spectroscopy was used to detect the presence of salt. Salts containing water dehydrate swiftly onto Ceres' surface, taking hundreds of years to dehydrate. Scientists discovered two main channels for liquids to reach the dwarf planet's surface, allowing for continuous material movement from the planet's interior to the surface. The area beneath the surface that was melted by the heat of the impact formed by the Ocata crater region some 20 million years ago is one pathway. Large fractures were generated by the collision, which could reach the deep brine reservoir. When the brine burst through these breaches, the water evaporated, leaving behind highly reflective salt coating.